Hi, this is Martha from Keller's Farm Stand with another quick tip. People are always asking me, what's the best time of day to water? Ideally, if you can, the best time is in the morning. Typically, the soil has a little bit of moisture left from the cooler, maybe humid night before, and then when you start to water it again in the morning, it's ready to be absorbent and it'll hold on to your water and the plants will be happy. If you don't, sometimes then, when you get home at night, it is bone dry, like dry as a brick. What you have to do then is water it for a while and then walk away for about a half hour so that it softens up, then come back and water it one more time. So it's going to be faster and easier if you just water in the morning to begin with. Now, if it's really hot and windy, you might come home at night and need to water a second time anyway. That's fine. If that's what it needs, you got to do it. Most things like these planters over here, if you give them a really good soak in the morning, they will make it till the next day. There's good depth here. The soil's very absorbent. You should be good to go. You're going to kind of learn as summer goes on when your plant looks a little limp and you'll know it needs more. But my tip is the best watering you can do is to try to do it every morning. It's a commitment, but it'll pay off for you because your flowers will look gorgeous. This is Martha again from Keller's Farm Stand with a quick tip.